Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add a Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy A23. If you have purchased A23 and if you don't know how to add Google account to your phone, just learn from this video. For that, what you do is just go to Google Play Store first. Go to Google Play Store and you will see sign in button. Just click on sign in button and then you can supply your email ID to be added to your device. It will checking info and here you can type your email ID or the phone number that you have associated with your email ID. Here I just type my email ID Durai Prince and click on next. Now you will need to enter your password. So here I enter my password. Yes, I have entered my password and click on next. If you go enable the two-factor authentication, it will ask, so confirm it. I have confirmed and it will sign in. Yes, you can turn on for backup or you can don't turn on. Click on I agree and the email ID will be added to your phone. Yes, these are all the Google services. Accept. Yes, now Google ID is Google account is moved. Google account is added to your phone. Now you can access Play Store and other Google services in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.